Full disclosure, this probably isn't going to be a completely unbiased comparison between HowdyGo and Walnut. I'm the co-founder of HowdyGo, and you found yourself on an alternative 2 page, probably not dissimilar to one that you've written for your own SaaS company in the past. I'm hoping that by the end of this video, you'll have a little bit more of an understanding about your options when it comes to interactive product demos. We've tried our best to identify some of the core features and product offerings associated with each product so that you're able to make a decision about which product is right for your company. So let's get into it. The first place that we differ is really in our price points. HowdyGo starts off at $39 a month, whereas Walnut, from what we've been able to figure out, starts off at around $9,200 per annum. They do hide their pricing, so it's a little bit tricky. The reason why we can offer HowdyGo at such an affordable price point is because we're a bootstrap team. We don't have a huge engineering function behind us, nor do we have a massive advertising budget. We're really just here to try to make sure that we can offer something that's affordable to B2B SaaS marketers and hopefully demonstrate their platforms a little bit more effectively. The next area where we've identified a difference is in our recording and editing functionality. When it comes to recording, the way that we kind of approach it is that you click Start Recording, you click through your app. Each time you click, it creates a new step in your demo. And once you've reached the editing stage, you can decide whether you need to delete some steps, insert new steps if necessary, and really you get a lot of flexibility in that process. When it comes to Walnut, the approach that they've primarily taken is you go to your app, you capture each individual step, and then in the editing process, you have to manually map those steps together. Look, they are very different approaches to the same problem. We think that our approach is slightly more intuitive, but we'll leave it up to you to make that decision. When it comes to editing, we do have broadly similar functionality. We have identified one area where there is a little bit of an edge on HowdyGo, and that is in our ability to show off interactive HTML dynamic changes. So what that means is that if you have a drag and drop gesture or you have some kind of live collaboration going on, rather than making you record a video of that interaction, we actually show the interaction in HTML as though they're using the application themselves. So we think that that gives a slightly more interactive experience for the viewer and helps to keep them kind of immersed in that environment. The next area I'd like to call out is that we are willing to build out custom integrations. And the reason why we're able to offer that is because we're a bootstrapped company. We've got 3 technical founders who are more than comfortable working with engineering teams in order to design and implement API integrations. If you have a really specific use case in mind for interactive product demos, we're a great team to work with, and we can help you to achieve the goals that you're looking to achieve. The final area that I'd like to call out is not a feature. It's really about the way that we like to work with our customers. All of our customers, we invite them to join us in a shared Slack group, which means that we're able to collaborate a little bit more effectively and a little bit more efficiently as you start to get onboarded onto HowdyGo. This is a great opportunity for us to work with you in order to understand what your marketing goals are and identify some ways that you can not only go about editing and improving your demos as you build them out, but also figuring out how you can effectively distribute them to your prospects, leads, customers throughout the entire customer lifecycle. I hope that this has helped you understand what our differences are and identify which product is right for your business. If you have any questions, feel free to ping us a message in the chat. We're more than happy to have a conversation with you or jump on a Google Meet. It's really fantastic that you've managed to find HowdyGo, and I hope that we can invite you on as one of our new customers. Thanks so much.